Hello students, welcome back to Nagesh Karasgi Orchid School. Myself Sneha Pembati. Students, can you see here on the table? You can see the different types of toys or the pens, tapes, ink bottle, rubber, and most special you can see teddy bear. What do you think about this? Where do you see these all the things? Yes, we can see these all things in the shop. When we will go or when we visit in the shop, we can see there are the teddy bears. Mostly girls are very like to play with teddy bear, and some toys we can see that one. Boys are very happy to play with these toys, and in shop we can see there are some foods like biscuits, fruits we can see in the shop. And other than this, we can see there are some ribbons, tapes, pens and ink bottle. So today we are going to visit one shop, that is Mr. Kumar's shop. Our next chapter of English, the name of that topic is Mr. Kumar's shop. So shall we go for the shop? Okay students, now open your textbook, page number 17. Mr. Kumar's shop. Now students, here I am going to play audio of this lesson. What you are going to do? You have to just listen this lesson carefully, and while this audio is playing, that time what you have to do? You have to finger on the line. Okay? Shall I start?
Mr. Kumar's shop. In Mr. Kumar's shop you can get bundles of tape, bundles of rope, packets of pins and cakes of soap, tins of jam and bottles of ink, jars of sweets and lime juice to drink, books and pens, crayons and paints, cups and saucers, jugs and plates, marbles and whistles and coloured balls, frisbees and purses and beautiful dolls, plastic animals, wooden tubs, and boxes of lollipops.
Okay students, now here see what are there in Mr. Kumar shops, what the things we can get one by one we are going to see here. Now finger on the line, don't do anything, don't write it anything, just finger on the line and listen carefully. Okay? In Mr. Kumar's shop we can get bundles of tapes. Here you can see bundles of tapes we can get. Where these bundles of tapes are using? We are using to stick balloons or when the function is going on that time, or these bundles of tapes are using in the school also when function is going on, when we have to decorate the room, when we have to decorate the hall, that time we are using bundles of tapes. Now bundles of ropes. Here you can see here bundles of ropes. These ropes where we are using when we have to hang up the clothes, then when we have to tie that rope, and on that rope we can hang the clothes. Now packets of pins. You can see here, in this here, pins are here. These pins you can use to stick, or you have to put the papers because it should not fall down. Okay? Now here cakes of soaps. Cakes of soaps means you can see here soaps we can use it. There are different types of soaps we can see. Suppose for that we have to use that for the cloth soap, for the wash soap and for the hand wash soap. So the different soaps we can see here. Understood? What we are seeing this one, first paragraph, there are tapes we have seen that one. These tapes we have to use for the decorate the rooms, halls, and bundles of ropes we can see there. And again what we have to get it, we have to see the pins, packets of pins. This we can see or we can get it in the shop. And again cakes of soaps. Just now I told you that cakes of soap means soaps, detergent soap or the hand wash soap. These types of soaps we can get in the shop. Okay, shall we go further? Now here again tines of jam and bundles of ink. Here see, you can see there in the bottle jam are there. Mostly your favorite it is to eat the jam. You can see that the different flavors we can see in the jam. Apple flavor, mango flavor, or the mango flavor, pineapple flavor. These flavors we can see. Here tines of jams, meaning the packet we can see here. Tines of jams are there and bottles of ink. You can see here the ink, or here you can see bottle of ink. This ink you can see, or this ink we can use when your ink bottle, whenever you are using the ink pen, that time you can use that ink. Or the teacher also using this ink, because when teacher are writing on the board with the help of marker, that time teacher also using the ink. Okay. Now jars of sweets and lime juice to drink. Here in the jar you can see there are the sweets are there. Now sweets means what? There we can see that chocolates also it will be there, or the any different types of sweets we can see there. In the jar we can see sweets are there and lime juice to drink. Now here in the bottle lime juice are there. These juice are helpful to us, to our health. We can see here. Okay. Now in the second paragraph what it is given? It is given tins of jams. We can see here in the bottle or in the tins we can see the jams are there. In jams different flavor also we can see that one. Pineapple, orange, apple and mixed fruit jam also we can see. Next bottle of ink. You can see here bottle of ink. Two types color we can see, mostly blue and black color bottle. You can see here in the picture blue color it is there and black color it is there. So mostly we are using blue color bottle ink. Okay. Now jars of sweets. Here in the jar you can see sweets are there. Sweets means there are sweets, different types of sweets we can say, or the chocolates we can say that. And lime juice to drink. Here on the bottle you can see that lime juice is there. This lime juice is helpful to us to drink. It is helpful to our health to drink. Okay. Now next is third paragraph. See what are there? Books and pens. You can see here books, and here in the shelf, here in the box you can see the pens are there. Crayons and pens. Here you can see that crayons also is there and pens we can use it. Cups and saucers, jug and plates. Here jugs and plates are there. See in the shop whenever you go with your mother, you can see that jugs also your mother is going to purchase the cups along with the saucers. Plates also you can see different, or the shapes we can see the plates, it is round shape or the square shape. You can see, and different design also we can see on the plates. Now here books and pens are there. These books and pens where we are using books and pens mostly everywhere. Now in the school also whenever teacher is going to give the notes, you have note down that all the things in your books. Okay. Now crayons and pens. Whenever you are going to draw the picture, that time you are taking these crayons and pens to color that picture. Next cups and saucers, jugs and plates. Here you can see here cups and saucers. Now where we are using this mostly whenever you are to drink the tea, coffee or the milk, that time you can use these cups and saucers. And jugs and plates mostly you are going to eat doing the breakfast, dinner, lunch, that time plates are using, and for the water or you can use this jug. Okay. Now here in the fourth one shelf what it is given? See here marbles and whistles and colored balls, frisbees and purses and beautiful dolls. Now here see in the ball you can see there are the balls are the marbles you can see here, And whistles, whistles means you can use that whistles in sports, mostly sports teacher is using whenever the period is over. That time his sir is given the signal to you that period is over, or the when sir is going to take the game, that time sir, when suppose when sport sir is going to take one game, that time sir is saying, if suppose one player is out, that time sir is giving the signal with the help of this whistle that the player is out, or the something, or he is playing is over, the game is over. That time with the help of that whistle sir is giving the signal to you. Now here color balls you can see here. These balls you can use mostly in the playing. Now frisbees and purses, you can see here frisbees and purses. Frisbees here, this you can see like a, it is a round type, you can play it, or the while these frisbees you are using mostly in the sports time, that you have to catching that time, it is round type you can see here. And purses you can see the here different types of the color purses you can see, and beautiful dolls. Here you can see the beautiful dolls, some dolls are standing, some dolls are sitting, different colors, or mostly you can see here the teddy bear. This doll also you can use it whenever you visit the shop. Okay. Next and the last one is plastic animals and wooden tops and boxes of lollipops. See here in the shop you can see there are the toys are there, you can see here toys, and wooden tops also you can see here. Plastic animals you can see and wooden tops, and there are the in the boxes. In these boxes what are there? Yes, in these boxes we can see there are the lollipops are there. What are there? There are the lollipops are there. Now we have seen this one all the things in the Mr. Kumar's shops. Now here in this all the shops whatever are there, these things we can use in the house, at the school, sometime for the food and sometime it is for the toys. Now these whatever things we have seen, we have to divide them into the which things are using for the in the house, the things that use at the school, the things which are using as a food, and the toys which are there in the Mr. Kumar shops, that we have to see in the lesson. Now open the next chapter, next page, page number 18. Before we go for the next page, look at here, there are the shops are there, some more shops we can see here. Now here in the bottles you can see, what you are going to see here, the different types of chocolates or the sweets you can see here. One by one we will go to the some more shops. Now here mostly you can visit this. What is this? This is the vegetable market or the fruit market we can say. Here different types of fruits you can see here downside. Fruits, different types of fruits we can get it in the market. Now here this side also you can see different types of vegetables, or the we can see the cauliflower, all things we can get in the shop or in the market we can see here. Now you have to see that one, there are the another shop, that is flower shop. There we can see the different types of flowers, or suppose someone's birthday is there, that time if we want to give the bouquet, that time we have to visit this flower shop. And there are, you have to see that one, they have planted or they have created that bouquet with the help of these flowers, with the help of these flowers. Or mostly you can see in the nursery. Nursery means there are the plants where the different plants we can see, and in that plants we can see the different types of flowers, or the we can say different types of trees, plants. You can, once you have to visit for the nursery, then you will realize that one what actually it is the nursery, why we call the nursery. Okay. Now here one more shop. Here the difference, so many things we can see here. Just now I have told you wooden toys or the wooden, here the wooden dolls or wooden, we can say toys we can see here. Cups and saucers also here, and plates or we can say the bowls are here. Or you have to see here in the upstairs, there are the things or these are the showpiece we can use at the home to show in the hall we can put it. These showpiece we are see in the wooden, it is made or it is made by the wooden. And here you can see there are the lamps which are using in the halls, mostly in our halls, in the at home halls we can use it. Here you have to see the mask type, face mask. Now what is this? Your favorite shop it is. You have to see, mostly you are visiting mostly in this shop only. Yes, these things you are loving to eat, that one. Cakes are there, biscuits are there, different types of biscuits are there, puffs are there. In the bakery we can go and we can see that the different types of biscuits, we can see different types of cakes, puffs, whatever we want. The mostly children you are loving to eat, that we can visit in this shop, that is bakers or the bakery. Now here you have to see there are the plates are there or the bowls are there. This mostly your mother is using in the kitchen whenever some guest will come, or mostly you are having the lunch, dinner, breakfast, that time you can use the plates. Now here you can see different types of colors or the different size also is there. Some plates are small, some plates are very big. Now I have told you that the plates having the different shape also. Round it is there, and here you can see the square type also is there. Okay, here also you can see the square type of plates we can see here. Now these are the show, or we can say that one which are using to us, helpful to us to decorate the house, mostly lighting lamp. That time we are using this type of show thing or showpiece or these things we are using. And whenever the festival, suppose in Ganesh Chaturthi, that time also we have to decorate, that time we are using this showpiece or the show things material, we will get it from the shop. Now I have told you, open page number 18. Here whatever we have seen in the Mr. Kumar shops, that things we have to divide it into the things which are used in the house, the things which we are going to use at the school, the here food items which we have seen, and the toys what we have seen in the shop. Okay, now here one by one we have to go here. Now first we have to go things to use in the house. Which things we are using or we have seen in the Mr. Kumar shops, that what is there? Yes, very good. The things we can use, these things use, or the other things we can say that pins, other pin also we can see, that hanging to cloth, that if the ways it will come, it should not fall down, that time we are using that cloth pin, that pin also we can use it. Now what we have seen in the Mr. Kumar shops, here things to use in the house, which are there? That is tape, rope, pins, again soap, cups, again Along with cup, what it will come? Yes, saucers. Then jugs and plates. These things we use in the house. Now coming up to the here next point, that things to use at the school. Which things we are using? Yes, ink, books, pens, again crayons, pens, yes, again purses, small purses we are using to keep the your all material. Small pocket we can use, na? These things we use in the at the school. Now food items we have seen in the Mr. Kumar's shops. Which are they? Guess it. Which are they? Yes, we have seen jams, sweets, lime juice, and lollipops. These food items we have seen in Mr. Kumar's shops. Now the next it is, what it is remain? Toys. What we have seen here in the toys? Marbles, wooden animals, sorry, not wooden animals, wooden tops, plastic animals, again whistles, these things we have seen in Mr. Kumar's shops. Now what you have to do? You have to note down these things in your textbook. You have to note down these things in your textbook, okay, on page number 16. Now I am going to show you one video related this only. Once again we have to visit Mr. Kumar's shops. What the things we have get it in Mr. Kumar's shops, the details we have going to see in this video.
Mr. Kumar's shop. In Mr. Kumar's shop, you can get bundles of tape, bundles of rope, packets of pens and cakes of sugar, tins of jam and bottles of ink, jars of sweets and lime juice to drink, books and pens, crayons and paints, cups and saucers, jugs and plates, marbles and whistles and colored balls, frisbees and brushes and beautiful dolls, plastic animals, wooden dogs and boxes of lollipops.
I hope you understood this lesson. Now what is your homework today? Your homework is that you have to read this lesson carefully and listen carefully and understood that one. What things whenever we visit to the shop, what things we will get. Okay. Now one more thing we are going to see here. One game we are going to play here. Here, see here, look at this picture, drag and drop the correct name into the box below each picture. Now here pictures are given here and in the bracket you can see the name of the picture it is given. What we have to do? We have to drag and in front of that picture we have to drop it. Okay? One by one we are going to see. Now what is this? This is the pink color, mostly it is soft. We are using it. It is a sweet type. All these dish are in the sweet dish, we can say that. This is, yes, candy floss. What is this? Candy floss. Now second one. What is this? Yes, this is donut. Third one is, yes, it is very cool or we can mostly we are lovable to eat this one. This is ice candy. Yes, coming up to this picture, you know very well, chocolate. And last but not the least, lollipop. Okay. You got how many? 5 out of 5. Now here B question it is given. What it is? See, do you have a favorite shop that you like to go to? Draw a picture of it or write a short poem about it in the space given below. Now here in the space it is given. What you have to do? You have to draw a picture, your favorite shop picture you have to draw it and color with the crayons. If you know or if you have a poem related that shop, you can write it. But mostly what you have to do? You have to draw the picture which is suitable for you and which is easy to you. Okay, and color with the crayons. I hope you understood this lesson. We will see in the next chapter in the next period. Till then, bye. Thank you.